Ladies and gentlemen, nature has bestowed upon us an infinite and clean energy source, the sun. Instead of just complaining about the scorching heat, why not turn it into a powerful assistant to slash your electricity bills? Today, join me as we open a new chapter with 10 secrets to utilizing solar energy, ensuring every ray of sunlight becomes a valuable asset. 1. Solar LED lighting for gardens and gates. Replace grid-powered outdoor lights with solar LEDs featuring integrated sensors. These lights are entirely self-sufficient. They charge by day and glow by night, lighting up your exterior spaces without costing a single cent. 2. Periodic cleaning of solar panels. Use a gentle water spray and a soft cloth to wipe away dust every 2 to 3 months. A thick layer of dust can reduce power output by 15% to 25%. Keeping panels clean is the simplest way to harvest maximum energy. 3. Prioritizing solar water heaters. Install a solar thermal system to provide hot water for the entire family. Electric water heaters are big consumers. With solar, you have hot water year-round without worrying about monthly spikes in your bill. 4. The natural clothes dryer. Maximize direct sunlight to dry clothes instead of relying on electric dryers during sunny days. Sunlight dries clothes for free, and UV rays act as a natural disinfectant, leaving your laundry smelling fresh. 5. Solar power banks for outdoor adventures. Equip yourself with a solar integrated power bank and hang it on your backpack while hiking. This is a life-saving power source in emergencies. The ability to self-recover energy from light keeps you connected anywhere. 6. Heat insulation film to reduce AC load. Apply heat insulating film to glass windows to reflect solar radiation. Blocking solar heat helps the air conditioner reduce its load by 20% to 30%. This is an effective indirect way to save electricity. 7. Utilizing natural cross ventilation. Open windows on opposite sides of the house as the sun begins to fade to allow cool air to circulate. Using the breeze to push out accumulated heat cools the house quickly, significantly reducing fan and AC usage. 8. Solar-powered attic ventilation fans. Install a small exhaust fan on the roof powered directly by a small solar panel. The hotter the sun, the faster the fan runs to pull heat out from under the roof. This actively lowers the ceiling temperature. 9. Solar water pumps for ponds and gardens. Use mini solar-powered pump kits to aerate fish ponds or automate garden irrigation. This system follows nature's rhythm. The stronger the sun, the more water plants need, and the harder the pump works. 10. The golden hour rule for rooftop solar. Shift heavy tasks like laundry to the window between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. This is when solar radiation is at its peak. Utilizing your own power during golden hours minimizes buying expensive grid power. From small garden lights to modern rooftop systems, we are all contributing to a greener future. Hopefully, these secrets help you. Thank you for supporting at Hothan V in 3. Stay bright and radiant like the sun.